look like stars when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. It's true, my gold ring is beautiful, and everyone wants one. Everyone wants to have my style. In the club or on the street, everybody that I meet wants to learn to play my game. And they watch the way I move, from my head to my shoes, and all the girls know my name. I know in their hearts they wish and dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest dancer around. The lights are shining down on me, so everyone can see the natural playboy. All the people everywhere, everybody wants to hear my playboy philosophy. 'Cause I look like stars when I'm smoking my cigar. They wanna be just like me. I know in their hearts they wish and they dream that they could be like me. But if they want to know the truth, it's true that I'm the natural playboy of town, and I am blowing every mind, 'cause I'm one of a kind, and I'm the coolest
Camera fi 'di sticio. Diwrnod fela fydd heddiw de. Diwrnod fela fydd 'i. Helo, dwi yma. O. Helo. Bad time management gynna fi. Ma'r gêm, 'di'r gêm 'di llwytho, dwi'n unpacking game files. Dim admin stream, full blown escape from Tarkov. Drops enabled. Os o drop, dwi'n meddwl ma' 'na drops dwi'n meddwl i escape from Tarkov. Professional Tarkov, escape from Tarkov play heddiw. Professional. Dwi heb 'di chwarae hwn ers dwi 'di prynu hwn ers ages. A be' sy'n tua'r digwydd ydi dwi'n downloadio fo. Dwi'n chwarae fo unwaith. Ag ar y ail dro dwi'n pam dwi'n chwarae hwn? A dwi'n stopio chwarae fo. So ond ella ma' 'na bach admin hefyd yn cicio fewn. Ella. Dwi 'di prynu mic-cam newydd. Dwi 'di t'wod cyn i hwnna. Na, dim. Safio point chdi. Safio point chdi. Escape from Tarkov, checking integrative game files rwan. Dwi wedi neud bad purchase. Dwi wedi neud very bad purchase. Dwi wedi prynu de. Ma' gynna fi mic-cam ar hyn o bryd. Ar hyn o bryd, ma' gynna fi mic-cam hollol ocê. Y byd sbesial ond ma'n mic-cam. So be' nesh i yn sobor. Oh my god, ma' 15 quid lawr. Oh! Nesh i dalu £89 am fo. A nesh i gyrru tŷ mam fi. So swn i'n gallu jyst efo dad fi, so... dwi wedi colli 17% o hwnna. Sut ma' rhywun fatha Amazon yn delio efo hynna? Dwi ddim yn di. Tough shit 'da fi, ie. Ma'n annoio fi. £89, 89.99 do. Dalish i £89 am hwnna. Ond eniwe, hwn dwi 'di prynu. Dwi 'di prynu am ryw reswm o'n i isio hwn. Low profile mic arm. 'Di meicroffon arm fi rŵan ddim yn broblam o gwbl. 'Di erioed bod yn broblam.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Here I go. Give me that mic.
So ultra secure. Class. So dwi 'di prynu hwnna. Designed to lay low, li. Ond nathon ni deud dydi dim gwahaniaeth i fi fama. Fela dwi. That's why cable management though, ideal. Fela dwi. Union fela dwi. Fela dwi'n siarad. Ocê, so dwi 'di prynu hwn am £89.99. Bydda i yn full-time streamer erbyn diwedd flwyddyn. Mae gynna fi all the gear. Gynna fi spotlight, LED spotlight, LED spotlight, DSLR cam, Shure microphone. Gynna fi y thing patyma fi. Gynna fi stand wireless charger ffôn. Gynna fi USB mount. Mae gynna fi mechanical keyboard. Mae gynna fi gaming mouse. Gynna fi 7.1 headset. Yr unig beth dwi isio ydy pobl gwatcha fi a cwmnïau'n rhoi pres. That's the plan. Mae'n rili dynnoio fi hwnna. Dwi wedi talu £89 yna fel. So mae hwnna'n 89 li. A ti'n dwi yma? O ie, i reid. Oh well. Oh well. Fel dwi bod yn sim reisio. Dwi wedi sim reisio as ages. Fel dwi'n streamio. Camera. Hwna dwi'n meddwl. Ydy'r positioning y camera yn iawn? Ta ydw i angen o yn fanna o flaen fi? Dwi byth yn diseidio. Ydw i angen camera? A hyn o bryd, off to the centre, mae chat y fanna. If you build it, they will come. Yeah. As the dollars rush out, the viewers come in. Mae ben to hyd fanna. Ond, all again, no idea. So hello Q streams there. So os di streams Civ 6 i anything to go by, dwi'n mynd gweld hynna'n digwydd anytime soon, de. Allai create your greatness. Don't just create greatness. So mae boi yma, Lando Norris F1 driver, yn co-creator efo fi. Dwi'n sy'n ffynnu. Mae Lando Norris cael sponsor gan Logitech, ond sbio beth sgwnnw yma. Fanatec. So, co-creators wedi hyn. Mae o, sbio? O, mae o'n eisiau microphone shit, do. Microphone well hwnna. Oce, di Escape from Tarkov di ffocin lwdio. Ideal, do. O! Ta be? Ia. Ta be nes i ddim meddwl amdano? O, so wedi gallu chwarae hwnna hyd sôn. PS2 game oedd o? Na, dim as Endbender. Avatar video game. O'n i'n gwybod, o'n i eisiau ffeindio beth. PS3, ie, PS3. Ie, eisiau prynu hwnna o'n i, de. On a Wii version. Oh my god, that cannot be. Hei, fi chwarae hwn fyd. O, dwi eisiau chwarae Java version ar ffons. Fuck, dwi'n sim... Oh my god, sbia? Android. Oh my god, PSP version. Ydy'r gem... Allai brynu'r gem yma ar PC? Allai prynu'r gem yma ar PC? Please dyd allai. Dyma'n edrych yn gyfer store, yn y store na di. Join the group chat. Mae group chats, dwi'n mynd o Steam, group chats de ydy spiritual successor 4chan. Mae'n awful. Pwyd efo Steam. Y ffordd i fi gael hwn oes. Ydy hwn efo'r... Hei fi cael y PS3 version. Hei. Allai brynu efo PS3 yn so fyny bywyd i lot haws. Fi cael y PC version de. Fi search fe hwn. Allai'n prynu hwn yn lle? Bydd i legality am... hwn. Ydy hwn yn full game? It's a demo, ydy o. Sut ydy o ar y Wii? Dwi'n mynd coelio dwi'n googlo Avatar video game Wii versus PS3. Let's have a look.
Chasing that A and want to save time on proofreading? Grammarly makes editing one click simpler.
Oh my god, ti'n hwnna? Ti di darllen hwnna? Caution, best avoid extended playthrough of the game may cause epileptic symptoms due to What? What the hell? Dwi'n jyst mynd i eBay brynu fan. Y Wii version di hwn. Be, eisiau chwarae'r Wii version? Boi man, sbio 4K Wii gameplay. O, na, ma' hwnna'n iwsio, ma' hwnna'n defnyddio... Ma' hwnna'n iwsio, £12? No way, dwi'n talu £12 yna fo. That's just not happening. eBay. £11? Di o'n cecs? Llai cecs sy'n ôl o. James Cameron avatar ydy. Na, ti'n byd o'n ydy. Un gyda'n byd, pwy sy'n bidio hein? Wait, no. Ma' £6. Just a disc dwi angen, ie. Ydy o werth o? So byd witty am sex, dydy. Free, mae'n free, postage, £2.95. A PS3. Dwi'n cael hwnna'n do. Siarad fi gael prynu fe ar y llall. Dwi'n cwrdd dwi'n neud hyn. Apply discount. Be mae hynny'n dweud fi? Os dwi'n cael hwn de, mae'r streams dydd gol dewin yn ôl efo'r boi na. Nes i a Morgan Owain joinio'r Discord nhw. Os di hwn yn cyrraedd i fi, fyddai'n chwarae fo. Ar dydd gol dewi. Hynna fysa dewi isio ni chwarae hwn. Dyma, dwi wedi prynu fo. Dwi wedi prynu hwnna. Am £2.95. Next big stream fi di James Cameron's Avatar the Game. Which dwi wedi prynu am £2.95. Mae fod i gyrraedd ar yr 11th. Bargan. Hwna'n bargan. Fel rhywun sydd ddim yn licio Avatar. Ond, ia. O be dwi'n... Ma' hwnna'n y PS3 version dwi wedi prynu, de. Dwi'n chwarae hwnna gynta, ta dwi'n chwarae Metal Gear Solid 3 gynta? That's the question, wan. A ydy Escape from Tarkov yn di llwytho, wan? Yndi. Class. What a Sunday. Escape from Tarkov eto. Gilgamesh. Ti isio dangos y gêm et? Pan di o'n dangos? Dwi eisiau neud character fi. Class. Class. Love to see it. Graphics, yes, please. Pan di man Nice. Yeah, window capture. Seriously, we're gonna window capture. Huh. Oh yeah. What? Iawn. Beth arall mae'n gwneud ydy... Controls... Waw, sbia? Sut dwi'n ei hyn? Mouse sensitivity. Calculator. Where's my calculator? Mouse sensitivity changer. Converter. Okay, dwi'n gwybod Overwatch fi ar 850. 6.8, what is it? 6.81. Escape from Tarkov. 850. 0.36. 0.36. Class. Iawn. Hwn di bit o Tarkov dwi ddim yn licio. Dwi'n gwybod beth hyn. Oh my god, hyn. Dwi absolutely ddim clem sydd i chwarae hwn. Dwi'n mwyn cofio. Construct. Pam dwi'n constructio hwnna? Okay. Whoa, so stwff fi! Okay. Os dwi'n cofio'n iawn, ti'n gallu mynd i fewn. Ti'n meddwl hynny, dwi'n mynd gynta. Dwi'n mynd i fewn. Fatha scaf. Dwi'n meddwl, main character chdi, ti'n colli stwff chdi. Dwi'n mynd i fewn fatha scaf. Insane, dwi'n mynd insane. 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 Pam nhw'n gyd yn insane? Hard. Hard. Insane. 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 Hard. Fewn. Fucking tech check. Melee. Strap yourself in, lads. Top quality. Dwi fatha'r Welsh. Be dyn nhw'r streamer e? Mae pobl yn gwachad. Shroud. Fi di'r Welsh Shroud. Officially. Officially, the Welsh Shroud. Ti'n cael maps na ti wedi hwn? Dwi'n cofio. O, os dwi'n cofio'n iawn de, be o'n i'n neud de, oedd... O'n i'n neud hyn, ti'n dweud e? Interactive map. Cofio'n hynna, ti'n dweud e? Just i fi cael gwbo. Iawn. Escape at Tarkov. Dwi'n mynd i fewn i map. Ti'n hell stuff. A ti'n mynd i extraction point. Neu yn missions. Dwi'n teimlo ar ôl tua 2 go na fyddai'n uninstalio'r gêm yma. Hynny ydy'r vibe dwi'n cael. Mae o'n very much... Os ti'n cael hit, ti'n marw. Mae Call of Duty efo version nhw o hwn wan. Dwi'n cofio hwn hefyd. So, mae gennym ni hynna hefyd. Dwi'n eistedd mas 3 munud o'n fyd, then, mewn i'r gêm. Dwi'n licio gallu mynd fewn iddo fo. Advanced controls mainly. Dwi'n yn matching ys 4 munud o'n. 5 munud o'n. Dwi'n stuck ar y sgrin yma, dwi'n cymryd hefyd yn do. A sain yn absolute shit hefyd. God, yn boring. Saith munud rwan. Deg munud di limit fi. Dwi'n binio hwn os dwi'n chwarae fo'n 10 munud. Disgwyl i... Dwi'n meddwl... So, pan ti'n mynd i fewn i'w map, mae yna AI a players eraill yn y map. So, dwi'n meddwl matchmaking mae o yn neud. Mae 8 munud y matchmaking bach yn... intense, yndi? O, that's it. Dwi yn... Hynna faint... Dwi hynna faint o dechrau Death Server. Mae gen fi PC fan'na. Hwna, ar hyn o bryd, hwnna di Minecraft server fi. So dwi ffansi just neud gweld i gychwyn os allai neud un. Yn basic. A gweld sut hwnna'n handlo fo. Mae hwnna'n gallu handlo. Mae hwnna'n gallu handlo heavily modified Minecraft server really da. Dim settings. Oh my god. Leaving game. What? Mae beth chi'n gweld o sgrin dim beth dwi'n gweld o sgrin. What the hell? Hwna'n nuts. What a nuts de. Mae'n sut a... Sy'n mynd yn sens? Ydw i'n gorau yn y display capture? Dwi'n bod gorau yn y display capture? Oh my god, mae'n nuts. So da chi'n mynd gwybod beth ni'n neud am ages fyna fan? Ffaith fod o'n methu... Poeni chydig bach, de? Diolch yn one of the most streamed games ar hyn o bryd. Mae'n nuts, dwi'n methu just jumpio fewn. Ia? Mae 251,000 viewers ar hwn heddiw. Tra mae hwnna'n neud de. Be di'r sain ma? What the hell? Effort. Bend. Bend. Mali, fucking cachu fo hwnna. Get that off my fucking PC. O'n i'n gwybod hwnna'n bad idea. O'n i'n gwybod? Efo. Off. Oh my god, be yma? Oh my god, be di hwn? What? Lle oer? Lle oer? Okay. Oh my god, sbia? Be di'r advert ma? Jet engine technology. Ah, ie. Dyna fe hwnna. None of it. Anghofio thermodynamics. Di thermodynamics yn thing, wan. None of it. Ooh, be oedd o? Oh my god, sbia? 85% off. Oh, rwan, dwi'n gweld y device. Oh my god, sbia size o hwnna? Sbia? Stunned. Practically no energy. Even blanket of heat. Dwi'n chi oed i gweld un i hyn. Check availability. Alpha heaters. Hwna, dwi'n siŵr. Is alpha heater ysga? Outlook India. Dall, di hwn. Scam! I called the company to return them and they immediately offered me a refund for £25 if I kept it. By then, immediately offering a refund shows to me at least they know the heater's not worth the advertised value. Doesn't even heat a small bathroom. Not worth the price, junk. Okay, be on the need one. Oh yeah. Okay. Dim hynna ma'n ddeud y fanna. Ti'n bod lle neud un? Pam sa neb jyst neud fideo really simple i fi yn dangos fi sydd yn neud o. Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n mynd i clic yn hyn fan. Seriously, just ditha fi sydd... Iawn. Linux LGSM. Oh my god, ditha fi be i neud. Rest server, Ubuntu server. Easiest way to install. So like the screen there, always a good call. Met be ti'n neud? Ta be? Let's do it. Let's do some live server making. Okay. Iawn, hwn ydi server fi. Let's have a look. Dwi'm yn gwybod am that. Nope. Iawn. Gawn ni weld faint hwn yn nwyaf fi am. Dwi'n fel o da. Iawn. di hwn? Okay. Dwi'm yn gwybod beth gallen ni rhesau efo. Na. Ti'n fucking awful. Pam sy'n neb allu just dweud fi sydd yn neud fucking rhesau efo. Yes. Okay, dwi'n mynd i dilyn hwn. Ma' hwnnw'n dod ni. Hmm. Um. Um. Class, okay. Cymerydd 1. Okay. Dwi'n mynd i dilyn hwn verbatim. Yeah. Okay. Sut dwi'n dod hwn yn? Okay. What? Fuck the CC. Rust TC. Rust TC. Error. Bad unit. Rats. Okay. Rust test file.rs. Permission denied. Ah, dwi'n gwneud fucking sudo. Sudo. Rust test file.rs. Ah, dwi'n gwneud sudo fan bob dim. Ynddo. Huh? Notice you must use RS to the check test directory. Effort, man. Let's see. RS TC. RUS. What's this file look at directory? What the fuck? What's up? Okay, dim rest server. Nog een game. Ydy gan. Ydy gan. Hynna'n bollock. Dwi'n meddwl fod hwn yn un o top 10 worst streams fi ever, dwi'n meddwl. Top 10. Dwi di methu chwarae Escape from Tarkov a dwi di rei gyfer gosod rest server. So, a dwi wedi bod yn streamio am dros 10 awr. A dwi literally chwarae fuck all. Un o'r matches normal dwi'n DMZ. Bach yn Warzone. First time. So os ti'n mynd yn y berffaith first time, just let it go. Not meant to be. Not meant to be. Not meant to be. Just go warm up bach. Go yma Oh! Off! Go yma Off! Oof. Dwi'n lyfo hynna fyny. Hwn do, ia. Un o ddau rounds o jyst i cael grŵf a wedyn Battle Royale. Guaranteed win. Guaranteed win heddiw ar stream. Guaranteed. Be uffar di sŵna.
Hostile cruise missile incoming. Kill confirmed.
Oh my god! Come here.
I've got your back.
We had Tang on the first
Grenade out.
kill. We had Tang on the first kill now, Cal.
Throwing grenade. Tossing a decoy.
Go on, am I gonna be there?
Deck secure. Kill confirmed.
Oh my god!
Decoy out. Hostile UAV in the area. Tossing a decoy. Reloading. Our UAV is orbiting the area. Grenade out. Hostile chopper gunner incoming. Friendly cluster mine deployed.
Lucky I was
Secure the
covering
kill.
your ass.
Quick fix online. Friendly UAV online.
Fuck, we're coming there!
Hostiles launched a cruise missile.
Decoy
Enemy
out.
UAV active. Enemy UAV overhead.
Endure. Tamo.
Confirmed. Enemy KIA. Confirmed one.
Reloading.
Oh my god, dau yn nhw.
Tossing a decoy.
Oce, os o dim recoil na fo gwbl.
Убитый подтверждено.
Throwing grenade.
Enemy is
Oh.
push them back. Enemy UAV active.
Decoy out.
Wastad tal fi decoys, ti'n cael just free XP.
Tossing a decoy.
Ah, chip.
Hostile UAV in the area. Friendly UAV on station.
Grenade out. Decoy out.
Covering you.
Enemy
You're
UAV
shooting
overhead.
grenade. Throwing grenade. That's it.
EKIA confirmed.
Don't worry.
Enemy
I
UAV
got
active.
reloading.
Deck secure. Kill confirmed. UAV ready to deploy.
Requesting recon flyover.
EKIA confirmed.
Ah, chip.
UAV overhead.
That's a bit... Bang!
Throwing grenade. Tossing a decoy.
UAV sync fuel. RTB at this time.
Changing max.
Confirmed. Enemy KIA.
Effective fire.
Убитый подтверждено.
Changing mag.
Secured the kill.
I'm loading.
Oh my god. Hacks.
Decoy out.
1 minute remaining.
Dropping ammo here. Throwing grenade.
Confirmed one.
Check fire. Switching mags. Drop them. I'm loading.
Deck secure. Kill confirmed. 30 seconds
Switching
remaining.
mags.
Ah, bitch.
We've lost the lead.
Oh my god. Jak to stane?
Grenade out. Tossing a
10
decoy.
seconds remaining. We have the lead.
Watch your fire.
Oh! Dro!
No one wins.
Fi di
the
gweithio.
game.
O, ni'n ail. O, fi gath o... Sbia? Yw'r sain rhywch chael? Dobra. To jest 100. Nog wel 100 hier. Nee. Dat is een beetje. Nee, daar. Six. Okay. In-game Invasion. Dit wil niet Warzone. Wie gaat dit doen? De Roep Battle streamen, maar het least. Oh, nee. Set it remute to Pope. Wat? Okay, let's go.
We're getting overrun. Fall back. We've secured the lead.
Ik ben maar
The
goed.
enemy has the lead.
Wow. Oh, zit iets aan min.
I'm hit.
Map op! Oh my god, Timris.
EKIA!
Ja, dat weet ik al.
Loading!
Wie en... Wat doet dat, hè?
I see it!
Hostile UAV in the area. The enemy is falling back. Don't let up.
Changing mag!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, it's little snipers.
Track insert is active. Moving. Rear halt! Drop point set. Reloading! Lucky I was covering your ass. Switching mags.
Fast hands online. Movement in this area. Hostile mortar strike near your position. Hostile missile incoming. Hostile counter UAV overhead. Enemy UAV active. Hostile UAV in the area. We're getting hit hard.
Oh my god.
Hostile cruise missile
That one's
launched.
on ice.
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile mortar strike incoming.
Requesting recon flyover.
Copy that. UAV is on station.
Drop point set.
We are losing ground. Secure the perimeter. UAV is being codes activated. Hostile VTOL overhead. Hostiles launched an SAE. Hostile gunship overhead.
Loading!
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV active.
Ah, chip.
Enemy UAV
on, come 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 on.
Friendly cruise missile approaching target. Friendly VTOL entering this sector.
Ah!
Friendly UAV.
Watch, do watch.
Tiger 3-1, watch cruise missile. ETA 10 seconds. Direct hit.
What a shot!
Friendly UAV on station.
Changing mag.
Oh, Cristino.
Enemy UAV active. Our perimeter is compromised. Fall back.
Il est farci.
Cargo helo is inbound.
Oh, will she?
Got one. Reloading.
Hostile UAV in the area.
I see. Switching mag.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm loading.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Friendly airstrike on the way. Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, you...
Heavy armor
Ben je
supplies are
verder
inbound.
kunnen.
Enemies close to securing victory. Stop them. Hostile cruise missile incoming.
Right. Loading.
Hostile mortar strike in the area.
Oh shit, good thing.
Enemy UAV active. Hostile missile in the area.
Either.
Hostiles launched a cruise missile. Our UAV is orbiting the area.
Oh!
Airspace. Enemy UAV overhead. UAV active.
Switching mag.
Friendly UAV online.
Tossing drill charge.
Enemies deployed a counter UAV. Lobster 13 inbound, weapons down.
I'm red on ammo.
Loading.
Friendly gunship is orbiting the AO. Tracking a hostile. The enemy is close to victory. Stop them.
Sad.
Hostile UAV in the area. Hostile mortar strike incoming. Hostile cruise missile launched. Target spotted. Enemy UAV overhead.
Switching mags.
Ah, you.
Near your position. Tango Hilo is inbound.
Taking effective fire.
O, ni'n gweld chdi! Methu cael gwrdd mi fyny. Wow.
Mission failed. Return to base.
Iawn, Warzone. Let's have some Warzone. Um, Warzone. Okay, let's have a good gander and let's have a good showing of ourselves. Dwi'n mynd i fethu swper hwn a dwi'n am streamio heno dyn. Camera wedi sticio do. O'r stwff ma dwi'n locio. looking for 80 more players. Oh my god. What do you mean of it? War. War never changes. Faint o bell dwi'n mynd i baran hwn, man. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. Dwi'n dychmygu dim yn bell iawn. Os dwi'n mynd yn awful, dwi'n gorffen y stream, gobeith i fita, allan i streamio hynno efo gem mwylydd back.
Warm up while you can.
That's the
We'll
plan.
deploy soon. Enemy soldier incoming.
O, be wrth fi.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Training is over. Time to see what you have learned.
Hobo fighter. Nie wiem, go dwi eisiau mynd.
Battle Royale. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone. Primary objective is to eliminate all targets.
Requesting ordnance. Position
Copy
marked.
that. Mortar strike inbound now. Impact. No hit.
Dechrau na.
Requesting ordnance. Position
Copy
marked.
your mark. Mortar strike inbound.
Rili'n gwybod beth dwi'n tynnu yma.
You're losing ground.
Ynddo?
Strongholds located. Targets are marked on your attack map.
Rili'n gwybod beth dwi'n tynnu yma. Rhyw mynd i ffocin. Ma pob.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Mae'n gallu fynd.
Found some loot here.
a loadout drop inbound.
There. Oh
Be
shit.
advised, there is an enemy squad hunting for you.
Oh, come on.
You're in the gulag. Fight for your chance to redeploy.
He's got gun nu hefyd. Maybe land yn ôl lle eisiau.
There is no one left to fight. Stand by for redeployment.
Literally, I don't know. Oh, dwi'n gofyn yma.
Enemy UAV active. Hostile UAV in the area.
Dwi'n...
Enemy UAV overhead.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Two plates gonna be. Pretty fuck.
Enemy UAV active.
Requesting
Gas
order.
is inbound.
Position marked.
Mortar strike on the way. Impact. No hit.
Yn fyny fan'na.
Target marked. Request fire mission.
Copy that. Phoenix 2-3 is on station. Drag inbound. Hostile UAV in the area. Shots missed.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Enemy dropping into the AO. Gas moving in.
Target marked. Request fire.
Phoenix 2-3, visual on the target, strike inbound. No hits on that round.
Garantie krijgt hij te
Gas
revive.
is moving in. New safe zone located. Enemy UAV overhead. You've made it to the top 10. Gas is closing in. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover.
Ah!
Less than 10 were still standing. The enemy took that one, but we will be back to finish the job. You've made it to the
Precision
top
airstrike.
5. Good work.
Seventh place, though.
Safe zone relocated.
7th place. I'll take that. I'll take a 7th place. No, someone will go for that. Oh, yeah. This guy had... Yes, it should be the boy about this.
You're losing ground.
Zie hier al.
Requesting recon flyover.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Oeh, show de winnen. We doen de winnen win.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Oh well. 7th though. Been the quite one that's ages. Iawn ta. Fanna dwi'n mynd i gadael y Shambolic stream ma. Very, very Shambolic stream heddiw. Not happy. Ond, na fo. Mynd o dod. Mae'n numbers streamio fi yn y flwyddyn newydd wedi bod yn isel hefyd, so... Dwi'n meddwl bod Cymraeg wedi digon o streaming. Ydy... Colour balance. Camera. Iawn ta, allai yn streamio heno. Os da rhywun dal yn gwachad. Dwi'n mwyn faint o... accurate di'r thing mae'r ben fe yma gyda fi fan. Ie, os da chi'n dal yn gwachad fi, ych chi fawr. Dda i streamio beth heno, fath o lot mwy laid back dy hwn, dwi'n meddwl. Oedd yr... So be, Escape for Tarkov, bad idea. Tynnu Ryser yn live, bad idea. Ond... Ideal. Dwi'n falch nes ti'n joio. Dwi'n falch nes ti'n joio fi yn cuddiad i top 7 Warzone. Ie, dwi'n chwarae beth yn munud. Wel, dwi'n cael swper gyntaf, dwi'n mynd i meddwl iddo chwarae beth retro neu beth mwy laid back. Cos... Ia. Oce, diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr streams, dwi'n meddwl dyd ti, diolch yn fawr. Na i weld chi tro nesa. Ella, dibynnu os gymryd mynna setio fyny y steering wheel. Bwyd gynta, neu o faint o fyna gan i wedyn, ella. No promises, ond ia.